In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 10. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you feel confident changing these settings on your own, whether you want to improve privacy or fix an app that can't use your microphone. Let's start from your Windows 10 desktop. First, move your mouse to the bottom left corner and click the Start button. This is the Windows icon. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. The Settings icon looks like a little gear. This will open the main settings window where you control most of the important options on your computer. In the settings window, look for the section called Privacy and click on it. The Privacy section is where Windows groups options related to what information your apps can use, like your location, camera, and microphone. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find Microphone and then click on it. Now you're on the page that controls how your microphone is used in Windows. At the top, you'll see a heading about microphone access for this device. There's an option that says Change. Go ahead and click that. A small switch will appear. If you turn this switch on, you're allowing Windows and apps to use the microphone on this device. If you turn it off, you're completely blocking microphone access for everything. This is helpful if you're concerned about privacy and want to be sure nothing can listen in. Just below that, you'll see another switch that controls whether apps are allowed to access your microphone at all. If this main app switch is off, individual apps won't be able to use the microphone, even if you enable them later in the list. So, if your microphone isn't working in a specific app, make sure this overall app's access setting is turned on first. Once that's enabled, scroll down to the section that shows individual apps. Here, you can decide which apps are allowed to use your microphone. For example, you might want to allow voice chat apps or video conferencing tools, but disable microphone access for apps you don't use or don't trust. Simply toggle the switch next to each app on or off based on your preference. After you've made your changes, you can close the settings window. Your new microphone access settings will take effect immediately. If an app still can't use the microphone, try closing and reopening the app, or restarting your computer so it can pick up the new permissions.